I'd like to show you about vacuum cleaning and how to do it more effectively than you're probably doing it now. The way to use an upright cleaner like this is simple really, because on the underside of the machine here you have a brush, as we all know. The brush will turn forwards, it will turn clockwise, it will go clockwise. So that gives us an idea about how to vacuum clean. But don't despair, I'll show you now. On your carpet, if you feel the carpet pile and just rub your hand across this way, that way, this way and that way, you'll feel like the grain in wood, you'll feel your carpet pile flows in a certain direction. Normally the carpet pile will point into light. It helps the carpet to absorb the light rather than reflect it. Because if your light is reflected, then it will fade your carpet in time. So if you feel your carpet and you rub your hand across it, you'll feel that there's a rough way and there's a smooth way. This is your smooth way. This is the way the carpet pile points this way. So if the brush on your machine is turning forwards, then it's a good idea to actually work against the flow of the carpet pile. Just bring your vacuum cleaner back slowly towards yourself with the rotating brush turning this way forwards, and it actually lifts the pile as the brush spins, and then the vacuum will pull out the soil from really deep down within your carpet pile. But on the other hand, if you try to go the other way with your vacuum cleaner and sort of the brush turns and it actually flattens the pile as it's going round, so the soils are getting buried in the carpet pile, you see, and the vacuum cleaner, you know, it works much better if you go against the flow of the carpet pile, because that way the vacuum cleaner will pull out the soils from the raised pile. A good tool to have as well is a crevice tool, and this is for going around the edges of your carpet and in and out of where furniture may be. And another good tool is this as well, which is a little tool used for upholstery cleaning or stairs, cleaning stairways, and you can also get around furniture, etc. with this little tool too. I'll just give you a quick demonstration about the best way to use a vacuum cleaner. It's a good idea to overlap the width of the machine half each time you make a pass across your carpet, and to work slowly. The slower you work with the machine, the more it will pull out soils. If you quickly whiz over the machine and you go the wrong way and you bury the soils in the carpet, then you're only getting about 50% of the performance out of your vacuum cleaner. So it's a good idea just to try these methods, and you'll see yourself how they work. I'm just going to give you a quick demonstration about the speed, really, about how to use the vacuum cleaner in speed wise. But you know, I'll give you an idea about it now. That's really all you need to do, nice and slow, and it will pull out plenty of soils. And the principles we were talking about before, about the direction of your carpet pile flow, if you're using one of these tools, you know, it has a pole on it, you know, like a pole like this fits onto the machine. Well, this works the same way. On this front edge, you've usually got brushes front and back, but on the front edge, if you can remember to push this tool into the carpet pile. So if the pile's flowing this way, you push it the opposite way, and that way this little brush on the front here will raise the carpet pile, and the vacuum follows and pulls out the soil from the raised pile. So just slowly push into the pile and then overlap half each time and push into the pile, and that way this machine will work probably 50% better than what it would otherwise. I think that's about all for vacuum cleaner now. They're pretty simple suggestions, so it's worth giving them a try and see how you go. Next we'll be talking about how to use a carpet stain remover brush, a little brush just to remove stains. We'll talk about that in the next video. Thank you.